Good morning, children. Today we will learn about covalent bonds and its type. Covalent bond definition: the chemical bond formed by the sharing of electrons between two atoms of non-metal atoms. Here, children, the non-metal atoms are either of same kind or of different types of atoms, is known as covalent bond. For example, in case of formation of hydrogen molecule, two hydrogen atoms with one electron in each share their electrons to form hydrogen-hydrogen single bond. In this case, children, each hydrogen atom will get the inert gas electronic configuration, that is of helium configuration, with two electrons in their outermost shell. Now, the type of covalent bond, depending upon the number of electrons shared between the combining atoms. The covalent bonds are of three types. Number one, single covalent bond. Second, double covalent bond. And third one, triple covalent bond. Single covalent bond. A single covalent bond is formed by sharing of one pair of electrons between two atoms. That means one electron is given by each combining atoms to form single covalent bond. That means there will be one pair, one from each forming one pair of electrons. Just now you have seen the formation of hydrogen molecules. Let us go for some more examples. Number one, formation of chlorine molecule. As you know, the valence electron of chlorine is 7. Here you can see the 7 electrons of chlorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It requires one more electron to complete this octet. And hence, one chlorine atom can share one of its electron with other chlorine atom. Okay, by sharing one electron by each of the chlorine atoms, now you can see the one pair of electron is shared between the two atoms. Now you can see around the chlorine atom 2, 4, 6, 8. Now that this chlorine atom has 8 electrons, at the same time the second chlorine atom as well has 8 electrons. That means here now the electronic configuration of each chlorine atom is 2, 8, 8, and this 2, 8, 8 electronic configuration is of argon configuration. That means by sharing one of its electron, each chlorine atom gets the stability or inert gas electronic configuration of argon, and hence the bond formed between the two chlorine atom is chlorine-chlorine single bond. Now the second example, formation of hydrogen chloride molecule, that is HCl. In case of HCl, the two combining atoms are of two different types, hydrogen atom and chlorine atom. Now, as you know, hydrogen atom, it has one electron in its valence shell, whereas chlorine atom's electronic configuration 287, that means it has 7 electrons in its outermost shell. So, hydrogen atom requires one electron as well as chlorine atom also required one electron. So that the hydrogen atom share one of its electron with the chlorine atom, and by the sharing of one electron, or we can say one pair of electron between the two atoms, hydrogen atom and chlorine atom, each atoms, that is hydrogen as well as chlorine atoms, acquire the inert gas electronic configuration, that is helium and argon electronic configuration respectively. With this, they form the hydrogen chlorine single bond. Hydrogen chlorine single bond. Formation of methane molecule. In this example, you can find the combining atoms are of two different types, carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms. During this process, children, you can see the carbon atom as it has 4 electrons in its valence shell. The electronic configuration of carbon is 2,4. It requires 4 more electrons to complete its octet, and hence the carbon atoms can share 4 of its electrons with 4 hydrogen atoms to form carbon-hydrogen single bond. So the number of single bond formed between carbon and hydrogen are 4 in number. 4 single covalent bond, 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 single covalent bond formed between carbon and hydrogen. Now, at the same time, children, you can see by sharing 4 electrons with 4 hydrogen atoms, the carbon atom acquires the inert gas configuration with 8 electrons in its outermost shell, that is 2, 8, and 2, 8 is the inert gas neon configuration. Okay. So during the process, carbon acquires the neon configuration. Now you can observe the hydrogen atom. Each hydrogen atoms now has 2 electrons in their outermost shell. And with these 2 electrons, now each hydrogen atom has helium configuration, as helium has 2 electrons in outermost shell. So the formation of methane molecule, there are 4 single covalent bond and carbon atom acquires the neon configuration, whereas each hydrogen atom acquires the helium configuration. Formation of water molecule, that is H2O. Here again you can see hydrogen, as it has 1 electron in outermost shell, it requires only 1 more electrons to complete its duplet configuration. Whereas oxygen atom, as it has 6 electrons in its outermost shell, it requires 2 more electrons to complete the octet configuration. And hence, one oxygen atom can share 2 of its electron with 2 different hydrogen atoms. Is it clear? So, by sharing 2 of its electrons with 2 different hydrogen atoms, now the oxygen atoms gain the inert gas configuration, that is 2,8, and once again 2,8 is the configuration of neon configuration, whereas each hydrogen atom gain the configuration of helium atom. So now around the oxygen there are 8 electrons. The same way around the hydrogen 2 electrons, that is a duplet configuration, and oxygen has octet configuration. With this, the single bond form between oxygen and hydrogen, and the number of single covalent bond form, that is 2 in number. 2 single covalent bond form between oxygen and hydrogen. Now let us move to double covalent bond. A double covalent bond is a bond formed by sharing of 2 pairs of electrons between 2 atoms of nonmetals, either of same type or of different types. Let us take the example of formation of oxygen molecule. Children, as you know, the electronic configuration of oxygen is 2,6. That means it has 6 electrons in its valence shell, and it requires 2 more electrons to complete the octet, so that each oxygen atoms can share 2 of the electrons to form oxygen-oxygen double bond. And by sharing 2 electrons, each oxygen atom will get the electronic configuration of 2,8 of the nearest inert gas, that is neon configuration. And we can show the double bond by giving two lines between the two combining atoms. Now next is triple covalent bond. A triple covalent bond is formed by sharing of three pairs of electrons between two atoms. Again here atoms of non-metals of same or different kinds. Now formation of nitrogen molecule. In this example, you can see the nitrogen atom. It has electronic configuration 2, 5. That means it has 5 electrons in its valence shell and requires 3 more electrons to complete the octet. So that each nitrogen atoms can share their 3 electrons with each other to form, just you can see here sharing of 3 electrons by each nitrogen atoms to form 3 pairs of electrons, and it will form nitrogen-nitrogen triple bond. When one electron is shared, we will give one single bond, two second pair, second line, and third pair, third line. And during this process, each nitrogen atom now will gain the electronic configuration of 2, 8. Again, 2, 8, it is the electronic configuration of neon inert gas. That means in the formation of nitrogen molecule, each nitrogen atom has neon configuration and the bond is nitrogen-nitrogen triple bond.